How to train Hugging Face model. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can train and optimize the model. First of all, open the web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now enter huggingface.co. So you'll be in this website. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for any models that you want to train or you want to equip. So here I'm selecting one. Now you're in this model Gwen. So here you can see this option called train on the top. Simply tap on this train button. Now you can optimize it or auto train it. So you'll have different options. Just tap on one. Now tap on create a new autopilot project. So here you must create your own space and give a specific license and a description. So this will take time, and you can even use the prompt that is given below while coding, and it will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.